So yeah, good morning guys. Welcome back home. Today is January 23, 2024. So pupunta kami ng Wellington at dahil gusto nila ma-experience na sumakay ng train. Now we are already here in train. So first stop at yun. Featherstone Station.
Featherstone. Peak Station.
Lah. So ayan guys, nasa Wellington train station na tayo. So nag-breakfast muna tayo dito sa McDonald. Kasi nga bago tayo mag-umpisa maglakad-lakad. Yun yung my birthday, oh. Happy birthday! Yung isang maldita. Ah, plada eh. Yung breakfast nyo. Oh. So yun guys, tayo sa Parliament kung saan pinaka opisina daw nung Prime Minister dito. Ayan, tambay muna tayo dyan, ekot-ekot, mekos-mekos. Malacanang. So guys, balik tayo. Still the Parliament building kung saan dito nag-uopisina yung Prime Minister ng New Zealand. This is the capital of New Zealand, Wellington. Yan. So dahil nag-leave tayo ngayon, nagagala tayo. Sinangangalay, ang tagal na yan dyan. So guys, ito daw yung library ng New Zealand. Ang sabi nila, lahat ng record ng New Zealand dito nakatago sa building na to. So nung una akala ko simbahan kasi kung titingnan mo sa malayo parang cross yung nasa taas. Pero siya, sabi ng anak ko, library daw to. Yan. So lahat ng record ng buong New Zealand baka dito tinatago. So ayan guys, binabaybay natin ng Lambton Way. Papunta tayo sa cable car. It's about 500 meters away from here. Maglalakad tayo. So yun, lakad trip ang gagawin natin. Pero enjoy kasi maganda ang panahon. Mahangin, hindi mainit. Okay, see you later. So ayan guys, still naglalakad pa rin tayo. Sabi sa map is 1 minute na lang. Tapos nandun na yung cable car. Okay. I'll be here.
All of our cruise ship passengers. The cable car has been operating since 1902, carrying locals and visitors alike. If you look to the cars have completed over 1 million trips. The lights in the next two tunnels were installed in 2014. You can program them with light shows that mark festivals, charitable events, and special occasions. You'll soon be arriving at Calvin's Paikaka Terminal for great views across the sea and harbour. Close by, you're ready to go back downhill. Cars depart every 10 minutes. We hope you have enjoyed your journey on the Wellington Cable Car. If you would like to leave us some feedback,
Yan na yung cable car na yun.
Sa glandola.
Hindi siya parang gondola. Oh. Carter Observatory. Ba't yan kayo? Ha? Tara. Yung sa kabila tayo. Pag dito, 24 lang.
One fueling tower separates.
Okay, ito kailangan ba natin pumunta? Kailangan ba?
And liftoff of the Soyuz rocket as Alexander Kaleri, Scott Kelly, and
Na-feel ko.
begin their
Dito sa rin mo dito ba?
space station.
We're feeling the vibration.
Five, four, three, two, one. Ignition and liftoff of the Atlas V with Juno on a trek to Jupiter, a planetary piece of the puzzle on the beginning of our solar system. Roll programs, vehicle fighters with you.
$27 pa.
Welcome aboard Wellington Aircraft. We will now descend 119 meters along the 609 meter long
Teka lang.
to the heart of the city.
Kumakain yung babae sa harapan ko eh.
The 13-ton weight of this car helps pull the other uphill, making the cable car one of the most energy efficient.
So yun guys, nakababa na kami ng cable car. Maghahanap na tayo kakainin ngayon dahil alauna na.
30 past 2.
So yan, cable car center. Meron mga kainan dito. Sushi na lang ang ba gusto nyo? Ah, dito may rice dito, kabila. So yun guys, tapos tayong kumain. Naglalakad na tayo papunta sa National Museum ng Wellington. At dito tayo magpapalipas ng oras hanggang sa dumating yung 4 o'clock na oras ng pagbalik ng train papuntang Washington. So yun, pakita namin sa inyo yung loob ng silang museum. Tagal mong tumalon, nainip na ako. Bumalik ako. guys, ito na tayo sa Te Papa Museum, Museum of New Zealand. Papasok sa loob. So yan, tayo papalipas ng oras.